Hi ASA class. So in maths this week we are converting units of time, so minutes into seconds, seconds into seconds into hours, things like that. So some of these problems this week, a bar model will be really helpful to help you see what you're having to do and to help you work it out. So it's been a while since we did a bar model, so I'm just going to remind you how to do it. Okay. So a bar model is really helpful for those problems where we've got some of the answer and it's almost asking us to work backwards in a way, because we've got 157.6 seconds, but it's just asking us to represent it in a different way. So for questions like this, when we're using a bar model, we start with our total, which is 157.6 seconds. Okay, and now we're going to break that total up into parts, and it will help us think about how big is the chunk we're looking for. Okay, and it will help us think, well, what do we already know? So we already know that 60 seconds is 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to break my 157.6 into chunks of minutes. Okay, so I've got 60 seconds, which is 1 min. Okay, so I'm only at 60. I'm not at 157.6 or anywhere near yet. So I'm going to do another chunk of 60 seconds or 1 minute. I'm sure yours will be neater than mine. So now, if I add another 60, we're going to go over, because 60 and 60 is 120 seconds, so 2 minutes. But if I add another 60, we'll be at 180 seconds, which will be too much. So what we're looking for is in this box. Okay, we know it's going to be less than 60. That's why the bar graph is really helpful to us. The bar chart is really helpful to us. So to then find out the last bit of information that we need to solve the problem, I would do 157.6 minus 120, which I'm getting from my 2 minutes, my 60 and 60. Okay, which is 37.6 seconds. So my answer here in this box, I can put 0.6 sec. Okay, now if we go back to the question was asking us how much is this in minutes. So I've got 1 minute here, 1 minute here, so 2 minutes and 37.6 seconds. So that bit there is my answer. Okay, so it sounds really, really hard, but when we break it down into this bar model, actually what we're thinking about becomes a lot clearer. I hope that's helped you. I'll see you soon. Bye.